Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to search within a specific channel on YouTube. So this is very handy to do if, for example, say for example, you came across to the Digital Tutor channel and you was looking for how to do something on YouTube. Then what you can do, rather than searching the whole of YouTube, if you wanted to find a video on that channel, you could actually search within that channel for that topic. So if you find this video helpful, please drop a like and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. In order to do this, what we need to do is come across to youtube.com. And you'll see at the moment I'm not currently signed into my Digital Tutor channel. But what I will be doing is using my channel as an example. So in the search bar, I'm going to type Digital Tutor step by step. And then what I'm going to do is just find my channel and click that to come onto my channel. Hi guys. Okay, so from here, what you need to do is click, if you look at the options at the top, there's actually a little magnifying glass just here. You go ahead and give that a click, and then you could type, for example, how to YouTube, hit the enter key, and you'll see what's going to happen. It's going to bring up everything related to those keywords, so all my kind of how to YouTube videos. If you're looking for something specific, so I could do this one, for example. I'm just gonna how to turn off restricted mode. So you could do, like, for example, how to turn, or rather how to stop YouTube asking to verify your age. Hit enter, and you'll see that's going to bring the video up from my channel, and obviously anything that might be related to that is going to show underneath. And yeah, that's how you do it. So I hope you found that helpful. If that did help, drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description below where you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.